Welcome back, team. The next important activity is including customer requirements. So, better color means like maybe including crimson might be making it color maybe waxing, or like loss of color, maybe like less loss of color. Less loss of color includes that maybe fading of the color maybe. So, based on the fading of the color, we need to identify, like we can describe about better, providing better quality to the customer. Okay, so better color is offered to the customer can be evaluated based on the time that took to color fading. Okay, so I might be including time took to color fade. Okay, so maybe fade, ignore it. Okay, color fade. So like this value, whether this value should be decreased or increased. So time it takes to, like it should take to fade the color should be maximum, it should not be minimum. Okay, it should be maximized. Okay, the value should be maximized. Maybe if the value, like if it takes 10 years to color fading, we will definitely go for that color. Okay, so it should be maximized. That is how we create relationship here. You can see that. Okay, this is for maximize, right? Maximize is up arrow. Next one is speed. Maybe you can include number of colors, maybe again better color. So maybe shining color, shining color, maybe it is on target maybe. For this, these two are for color fading. Okay, next speed, maybe horsepower, engine horsepower. So let us assume that we have 800 cc engine, like maybe we will be looking for maximizing it. Okay, so maybe automation maybe set on target, or luxury we can reduce cost, we can take cost should be definitely reduced. Okay, this is the how, this is how it should be. And this is for luxury maybe set on target maybe. Okay, interior, interior of the car interior discusses about luxury, or like automatic door, automatic door system, automatic auto drive, self drive, we can say something self drive option. This is usually seen in luxurious cars, so we can say that self drive option should be improved on target. Whether it is on target or we need to improve it, we are about to improve it. Okay, so these are some of the values that we gave here. And next, so in the same video we try to establish relationship between these things. So for example, if this is the relationship between, to create relationship between these two things, we will be selecting diamond between these two values. Okay, so this, in this diamond we will be creating relationship between these two things. Time took to fade and shining, this maybe positive relationship. Again, for this value and engine horsepower, there is no relationship between these two things. Time took to fade and cost, maybe a little bit positive relationship, because, sorry, this one, little bit cost includes when we use better colors, right? So maybe positive. And time took to color fade and interior, there is no relationship. Maybe self drive option, there is no relationship. Next, we go for shining option and other things. Maybe cost, there is the relationship between cost and shining. If you see, this is how we establish, this is the diamond that relates to this V shape we should look at. Okay, and we write at the, like we give relation at the bottom with the in the diamond. Okay, so let me include positive relationship. And engine horsepower don't have any relationship with these things, it will be having relationship with this one. So this is very positive. And when we increase engine horsepower, definitely it will include have a strong impact on cost. Engine horsepower will have some negative relationship. Maybe if we are having at high speed, If we are going at high speed, maybe interior might be problem for us, maybe something like that. Like I'm just giving it, okay? Don't worry about that. Whether it is optimal or not, it is good or not, ignore it, okay? The self-drive option have no relationship with any other things. Maybe cost and the self-drive option will have strong relationship, that is high positive. Okay, so this is how we work. This is how we create relationships. When we don't have any relationship, we don't include about it, okay? Self-drive will have very strong impact on cost. Maybe interior के ऊपर it will be having very negative impact. Maybe we will be including self drive. It's like you can consider it as a positive or negative, because so to create self drive option we need to change interior, right? Maybe a little negative relationship. Okay, this is how we create relationship diagram between these two things. Okay, so complete a customer like functional requirements part, these three parts in a single go to avoid confusion. Okay, so after completing this we go for relationship matrix. All right, so finish this one as quick as possible. You can understand that, right? So you can provide justification for each relation also. If it is not like you can include at least a little bit by looking at these videos. You can understand what kind of relation you are establishing and why that relation is established. All right, thank you guys. This is all about including about requirement functional requirements and direction of improvement and correlation between functional requirements. All right, in the next video we see how to include relationship values in the relationship matrix of the diagram. Okay, thank you guys.